Wanted to make this quick video and let you know that in the future I'll possibly be changing over to Joshua Jones instead of Jonesrandomknowledge on my channel. But in order to do this and to have a different account set up, I had to change and start over, so there are no videos at this current time if you were to go here. But also my link will be right here in the corner. I most likely will not have a description link or a link in the description anymore. But just so you are aware, if you're new here, what I do here on this channel is I teach you how to do affiliate marketing to teach others how to do it, how to do their online business with affiliate marketing. So I teach you what I learn. And here's my current channel now, Jonesrandomknowledge. This is what you're on right now. At the current time, as of 10/17/2020, I have 173 videos on here, but it will take me too long to put all this information over to this other channel. So I want you to be aware that I will be moving these files over time. If my account ever gets terminated or banned, I have this account as a backup to continue on with our relationship. So if you feel up to it, you would like to subscribe to the new channel in the future, please do so. Have a great day. God bless.